In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill in invite bar in Monopoly Go. First, open the game and head to the Friends menu. Look to the bottom right corner of your screen for the Friends icon, which looks like two people shaking hands. Give that a tap. On the Friends screen, you'll see a green invite button near the bottom. Tap it to open the invite options. If you don't see the button right away, make sure you're on the main board screen, that your internet connection is stable, and that your game is updated to the latest version. Next, choose how you want to send your invite. You'll typically see two choices, inviting through Facebook or sharing through other apps. If you pick the Facebook option, tap the Facebook invite button, and your device will open Messenger so you can choose a friend and send the pre-filled invitation. If you prefer other apps, tap the yellow or orange invite button. This generates a unique link for your account, and your device's share menu will pop up so you can send it via text, WhatsApp, email, or any app you like. Either option works the same in terms of crediting your invite. Now share the invite. If you went with the link option, pick a messaging app and send it directly to your friends. You can also copy the link to your clipboard and paste it wherever you want, such as a group chat or an email thread. A helpful tip is to add a short message so your friends know it's you and what to do next. For the best results, ask them to tap your link on the device where they plan to play, install the game from that link, and open it for the first time after installation. Try not to post your link publicly if you want to save your invite slots for specific people. Finally, watch your invite bar fill up. Each time a new player installs and starts the game using your link, one spot on the invite bar will fill, and you'll earn rewards as you progress. Keep in mind that new player usually means someone who hasn't installed or played before. It can take a minute for progress to appear. If it doesn't update right away, revisit the Friends menu and the invite screen to refresh. If a friend opened the game before using your link, ask them to close it and try again from your invite link so it tracks correctly. That's all there is to